Hi, this is your astrological forecast for Tuesday, July the 20th. My name is Kat. We're going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness leaving our body. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It fills our entire body, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is going to deflect all evil, low vibration, all negativity for us for the rest of the day, if we can hold on to it. While we're in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to say our July affirmation, as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We're going to say the affirmation together, and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it now. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Good. Ooh, that feels so good. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling very balanced, ready to go. So today, this is why I'm ready to go. The moon moved into Sagittarius today. My sign, my energy. No wonder I'm so happy this Tuesday. So with the moon in Sagittarius, it's all about optimism. It's all about our self-confidence. It's also about opportunity. It's about expansion. It's about generosity. It's about our faith. It's also about knowing the difference between right and wrong. I say that because being a Sagittarian, that energy sometimes makes us tend to think we're above right and wrong. That the end, for instance, justifies the means. So if we have to hurt anyone, or if we have to bring pain, or if we have to be less than truthful, it's okay. Because the end is what we're going for. No, it's not. But that's how that Sagittarian perspective, that's how the rationale works. Well, in the end, it's okay. The end is good. So whatever nefarious activities I do to get to this beautiful end, it's okay. No, it's not. So remember that today. Now I want to talk about another skeleton in our closet, because we do have the moon in Sagittarius, and Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. So while we have this wonderful energy to work with today in this moon in Sagittarius, also we look at our emotions and we're ready to move, we're ready to try something new. If we're stuck somewhere, we're ready to go. Well, Jupiter retrograde says, hello, skeleton here in the closet. You know, did you have an opportunity a little while back that you didn't follow through on because of what? You feel inferior or inadequate, or I don't know, what excuse do you have? Here comes the opportunity again. Hello, Jupiter retrograde. Hello, this opportunity, hello, you might be able to follow your bliss. You need to take another look. So while we are working with this incredible energy of the Sagittarian energy of expansion and opportunity, we want to make sure we tap into any opportunity that we pass by the first time. We've probably thought about it, and we've probably regretted not following through originally. So look at that today. A new opportunity may be coming up. Especially on Thursday when the sun goes into Leo. Be aware of that too. That opportunity may come by again. So if it doesn't come through today, make sure we have our antenna up so we can be ready for when we get offered that opportunity again, maybe if not today, later on in the week. So that's good stuff. Oh yeah, I don't like to talk about this because, I am Sagittarius, but the other negative of Sagittarius, other than that energy, other than thinking that we are above the law, we don't need to be followed, we don't need to be ethical, because we're above it all. Not true at all. Is that we tend to be excessive. So we are very generous. Generous is a wonderful Sagittarian energy word, but generous with food or gambling, spending our money. So be aware of that. Don't get ourselves into any, especially financial trouble if we do something a little risky that we're just feeling frisky about because we might not like the consequences of that. So enjoy this incredible moon in Sagittarius energy today. Vulture spirit. Nothing is wasted. That missed opportunity maybe, huh? Scarab beetle spirit. Magic works through us. And woohoo, butterfly spirit. Transformation is beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, I'm going to go back. Spirit wants to review this opportunity that some of us didn't take the first time around. Okay, Spirit says, okay, you didn't take it the first time around. Nothing's wasted. You've had time to think about it again, think it through. You have your, pluses and minuses. And so that was important, even though you didn't follow through on it the first time. Now you have more information to take the leap because magic works through us. We are co-creators of everything we see out there. So consciously working with this new opportunity, the possibility of doing something in our lives that we can follow our bliss, that makes us so happy and fulfilled. Pay attention. We are magical. If we make this decision, it's like we've waved our magic wand and we can follow our bliss. And what is that? Transformation. Nothing less than transformational. If we take that risk on ourselves, if we take that opportunity, even though we're not really sure where it's going to take us, but we don't have to worry. We've got Spirit at our back, and Spirit is supporting us the whole way with this decision. Spirit wants us to be prosperous and successful in the Aquarian age. It's like, come on, pushing us to get busy. So let's do it. Have a great Tuesday. Enjoy the great energy of being confident, optimistic. If you do see an opportunity, make sure you pay attention. Come see me at Facebook on oh my gosh, why can I never, ever, ever, ever say this? Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. Remember the monthly astrological forecast for Leo that comes is July the 22nd to August 22nd. That's out now if you want to take a look at that. And on Thursday, when the sun goes into Leo, we will update to our new Sun in Leo affirmation, as well as I will have a 15-minute guided meditation to go along with that for the Sun in Leo. So take care, enjoy the day. Remember, life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.